Hey there, fellow content creators and aspiring YouTubers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly mind-blowing to share with you. In this video, we'll reveal an unbelievable AI trick that allows you to create a whopping 300 YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. Plus, we're spilling the beans on some online money-making hacks that will leave you amazed. This is part 1 of our series, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of the incredible content we have in store for you. Before we dive into this AI magic, let's talk about the incredible tool we'll be using. It's a game changer for content creators, and it's about to revolutionize the way you create YouTube shorts. Drumroll, please. Introducing AI Tool. This AI-powered tool is designed to make your life easier and your content creation faster than ever. So, how does it work? Well, it's super simple. First, you'll need to sign up for an account on AI Tool website. Once you're in, you'll have access to a user-friendly dashboard. Here, you can customize your shorts by selecting topics, styles, and even adding your own personal touch. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, creating those 300 YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes. With AI Tool, all you need to do is input some basic information like keywords, topics, and desired length, and the AI takes care of the rest. It generates engaging, high-quality shorts that are ready to upload. Of course, we understand the importance of maintaining the quality of your content. In this process, AI Tool also provides you with options to review and customize the generated shorts. This ensures that your content still reflects your unique style and brand. But wait, there's more. As promised, we're also spilling the beans on some online money-making hacks. You see, with the power of YouTube Shorts, you can tap into the world of online monetization like never before. In part 1, we'll be covering Money-Making Hack 1 and Money-Making Hack 2. Money-Making Hack 1. Briefly explain Hack 1. We'll dive into the details of this hack in a dedicated video, so stay tuned for that. Money-Making Hack 2. Briefly explain Hack 2. Just like the first one, we'll be delving deeper into this strategy in an upcoming video. And there you have it, folks. In this video, we've unlocked the secret to creating 300 YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes using AI Tool, and we've given you a sneak peek at some online money-making hacks that will elevate your content game. Remember, this is just part 1 of our series, so make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video so you don't miss out on the next installments. Thanks for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into these money-making hacks. Until then, keep creating amazing content and making that online income. Stay tuned, stay creative, and stay awesome. See you next time.